In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Discord Quest badge. So this is very simple and it's actually one of the freshest and the easiest badges to get inside Discord. So what you want to do is be anywhere inside the Discord app and click down here to this gear icon where it says user settings. And then you want to go inside the gift inventory, which you can find over here in the middle. And then as you can see, you will have a few quests available, okay? Now you can accept any of these quests and simply follow the instructions that will be on your screen. And once you complete the quest, any of these on your screen, for me as you can see are only 2 over here right now. Once you complete the quests, you will get the Discord Quest badge, okay? So that's literally that simple, okay? So let's say I click accept quest. As you can see, it's waiting, and then once you complete the quest, you can claim the reward, which it says down here. So for each and every quest, you will get a reward, and then you will also get the quest badge after completing these quests, and that's literally it.